Hey folks, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Dr. Eggman. You probably already know Dr. Eggman by now. You see, he's the main villain of the Sonic franchise, and he comes up with all these crazy schemes to destroy Sonic and his pals. Question is, I don't know why Dr. Eggman has a thirst for him, but I think it has something to do with his speed. You see, Dr. Eggman, his true plan is to harness all of Sonic's energy and use it as a new power source to take over the planet. Truth be told, if you saw the Sonic the Hedgehog movie, you should know by now that that movie, it was possibly one of the best movies I ever saw. And if you saw Dr. Eggman, he used to have hair and a really really bendy mustache. I know, right? Anyways, he always has robots doing his commands, but the truth is, some of his robots have taken personalities of their own. He did have his own minions. One like a crow, the other was a tank. There was Deco, Boko, and as recent ones, Orbot and Cubot. And remember all the episodes in Sonic Boom and Sonic X and the original Sonic the Hedgehog series? And his real name is Robotnik. And he did have a henchman named Snively in the original Sonic the Hedgehog classic. When he was playing to take on the Doomsday Project. I don't know why though, but Snively had his own plans to destroy Sonic, and he wasn't alone. Anyways, when you start drawing him, you must draw his goggles up here. So grab yourselves a flying frozen turkey and get ready to draw the goggles up here. And grab another flying frozen turkey and I'll get started on his mustache. Okay, Alexa, what is Carcharodontosaurus?
Carcharodontosaurus is a genus of carnivorous carcharodontosaurid dinosaurs that existed during the Cenomanian stage of the mid-Cretaceous period in northern Africa. It is currently known to include two species, C. saharicus and C. equidensis, which are among the larger theropods, nearly as large as or even larger than Tyrannosaurus, Giganotosaurus, and Spinosaurus.
Okay. Next up is his teeth. You know, 'cause he's evil and junk. Alexa, play Reach for the Stars.
Here's Reach for the Stars.
Next up is his belt, his zipper.
By Jean-Paul Maklouf of Cash Cash, by Sega Tomoya Otani on Amazon Music.
You remember Dr. Eggman and all his plans to destroy Sonic, like the one in Sonic Colors and Rise of Lyric? And, anyways, Eggman's been in a lot of episodes and seasons. Makes me wonder, will we ever get to see Dr. Eggman again, plot his revenge? Only the future knows in the Sonic franchise. Alexa, who is Dr. Eggman?
According to Wikipedia, Dr. Eggman Robotnik is a fictional character and the main antagonist of Sega's Sonic the Hedgehog series. His original character designer was Naoto Oshima, who created him as part of many design choices for Sega's new mascot.
There we go. And here's his legs here. Give me time, bro. We're almost done, folks. Next up is his arm here. And that is how you draw Dr. Eggman. Pretty awesome, don't you think, guys? I know he doesn't look like much, but at least I finally got him done. Now, anyways, that's how you draw him. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the music. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what kind of awesome character I come up with next. Bye for now.